Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Salesforce Developer Account in just a few minutes. This free account gives you your own private environment to learn, experiment, and build apps without affecting real data. First, go to your browser and search for Salesforce Developer Signup, or visit the official Salesforce Signup page. Make sure you choose the official Salesforce website. Once you're on the sign-up page, fill out the form with your basic details like your name, email, and country. Make sure to use an email address you can access because you'll need it for verification. After that, review and accept the terms and conditions, then click on the Sign Up button. Now, wait a moment while Salesforce sets up your account. Then go to your email inbox and look for a message from Salesforce. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click the verification link. This will take you to a page where you can create your password. Choose a strong password and follow the instructions to complete your account setup. Once done, you'll be logged into your Salesforce Developer Account. From here, you can explore the platform, open settings, and start building apps or testing features. And that's it. You've successfully created your Salesforce Developer Account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.